Hello my wonderful viewers, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and please if you have not subscribed, do wait to subscribe to it. On today's episode we are recreating this style, and this style we have 1 yard of Ankara fabric and we have lining, and we are working on the length of 18. You get your starting point. From that starting point you come down by 7 inches, which is going to serve as our under bust line. From that starting point to 7 inches, we come down by, you divide it into 2 to get your nipple points, which is 3.5. From the 7 inches you come down with, you still come down by 3 inches to get your waistline. You connect together. Then you put your nipple to nipple. If you're using nipple to nipple of 4 inches, from the under bust down you mark 3.5. Then from the upper part you mark 3 inches. You connect the line together. Then from the upper part, we come out by 1.5 inches. From the under bust, 1.5. From the waistline, 1.5 down to the length of the top. You curve it to get your cup size and your cup shape. Then you put your hip measurements. You add that 1.5 inches you removed, and you add it and plus allowance. You connect the line together and you cut it out. After cutting the front side, you place it to get the back side. You remove that 1 inches because of zip bulging. You connect the line together, then you cut it out. And here we have finished cutting the back side. We'll cut the lining, the front lining and the back lining exactly same how we'll cut it. That's how we'll cut the lining. Let's go over and pad it. And we have finished padding it. We'll pass the front and we pad the back. Let's go over to the sewing machine and start sewing it. Here we have finished sewing. We've ironed it for us to put our measurements and cut it out to get the shape that we want. You connect it together, you add your allowance, you come up by 3 inches, you connect it together to the down to get the shape of the blouse you want. You cut it out. We'll place the front to the back to cut it same shape and come down by 3 inches from the back side. You connect it. Then the sleeve, we are cutting the sleeve. We are using the, depend on your size, that's the length you will use. Cut the sleeve. Here we are finished cutting the sleeve. Let's go over to our sewing machine and finish up the top. We have finished sewing it. We have joined the lining to the body. This is the back and this is the front side, and it